So today I'm going to show you how to install a transition strip onto LVT flooring. First thing you want is a nice little 3/8 inch gap in the doorway. And then it's time to drill holes. You'll want 1/4 inch holes spaced evenly in a line in the gap. So get your straight edge and drill your 1/4 inch hole. That's your transition strip to size. So I'll cut mine at 30 1/8. Test fit it. And take these little plastic screws that came with the transition strip and slide it on the LVT transition strip. Line up the plastic screws to the holes that we drilled. Next step is to carefully tap the transition strip into place. So I'm using a foam and a hammer, but if you have a mallet, that works too. Transition molding for LVT flooring. Thank you for listening.